What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be very important, so make sure to watch to the end because I'm gonna cover a lot of things. We've got to a certain level for USDT dominance that I have been telling you guys, and we already almost hitting my target, which was almost 5.20%. It is around that area. You guys see that we have a lot of rejection, so USDT can go up and down within these two this green and red line for a while before breaking above. And if you watch to the end before you judge this, because I have been warning you guys, and a lot of you guys did not want to listen, and that is totally fine because I know a lot of you guys are tired of waiting and you want to make money. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe if you appreciate this kind of content. Please like the video for sure to help me push this video to more people, because as you guys see so far and everything I have been telling you guys about the support of USDT and how sharp we went up, and USDT dominance is gaining in percentage. It's been happening, and we've got to a level that USDT got a lot of rejections for a while. So it is totally normal that we get support for Bitcoin and resistance for USDT dominance and go back down. And if that happens, we might actually go back down to this level, almost $57,000 to $58,000. If we break below almost $60,000, that would probably go down and get a little bit of support and start going back within this channel. So if you guys remember, I had this channel a long time ago. This channel was a little bit lower, and I said that Bitcoin broke above, but I said I'm not sure if it's going to be able to go make all-time high. And you guys saw that it went back to this channel, this line and this line that I'm talking about. So we broke below. Now Bitcoin is having its last supports for because we had this sideways for a while and we got a lot of supports for a while, but now you guys see we are still seeing weakness for Bitcoin to go above this level. But if we go zoom in USDT dominance, I'm gonna show you that why we are seeing Bitcoin having a little bit of support because of this level. If you guys remember, I said drop, base, drop. When we have this kind of movement, when we have this sideways, it can work for drop, base, drop. If we go back to that level, that work as a resistance. And the same thing, the opposite of it would be rally, base, rally, right? And actually, let me make it better for here. Now, this is the one I'm talking about. Rally, base, rally. So every time we have, let me zoom out, I was too zoomed in. So you guys see that we had a lot of rejections for a while for USDT dominance, and we finally broke above. Now we are almost about the same level, and this is the price, 4.595%. We went even a lot higher. We went to the top almost 5.11%, which will be around this area. So if we do not pass above, if we do, it's gonna be my next point will be almost 6%. But if we get rejected for USDT, that's gonna work opposite for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is gonna get a lot of support and start going back up. And that means that we might go up to this level, almost $68,000, and USDT will go back to revisit almost this line, and that will be going back to 4.3% for USDT. It depends on how fast we go. We might just go sideways and then go lower and get a little bit of support and then go higher. But you guys know that I've been telling you guys that USDT is in a very, very great support, and if it keeps going higher, Bitcoin is gonna keep dropping. You guys see that. I'm gonna show you some of these altcoins that they are going even making new lows. This is Cardano's chart in daily time frame, and you see that 88 went down from 80 cents down to right now 44 cents. It has almost lost 50% from its all-time high in this rally since it had its own drop. The lowest it went to, which was 22 cents. Now it is back to 44 cents. So, and if it loses it, the next target I'm looking at would be almost 39.40 cents. So another 4 or 5 cents going down. And XRP went and broke below. And if we make another line, which we had a lot of support before, but we strongly broke below. But the another support we have is almost the last support XRP is having right now. Is around 50 cents, 49, 50 cents. And if it breaks below, guys, my next target will be almost 20 to 24 cents, because we had this support around this area, and we might go back down to revisit that area, and that's not going to be good for XRP holders, especially the ones that who have been holding XRP for years now. I feel really bad for XRP holders, but if you are really into XRP and you are hoping that it's going to go higher in price, you guys are going to probably wait for a while. If you guys remember, I've been showing you guys this this type of chart for Bitcoin, and RSI right now is showing that it's going lower and with the price. And if it goes, it might go higher to revisit this line, and that would push the price higher up to almost $68,000. And it's gonna probably still continue high lower, because if you remember, in all-time high, before we actually got to the all-time high, we had broken above this level, which was the overbought territory for Bitcoin. And now we were on the same level, and we got sell off from 73, $74,000 down to right now around 61,700 ish. So we need to see how Bitcoin is going to perform. But USDT, as I said, I don't know why, but a lot of these traders or YouTubers are not even looking at USDT dominance. I don't know why, but you guys can clearly see how with the move that this has the opposite movement with Bitcoin. Every time it goes lower, and you guys see it is very similar but the opposite side. So USDT is revisiting this area. I do not think that we're gonna break it that strong and keep going higher unless something crazy happens and the war gets worse in Middle East, and I hope not. But USDT might get rejected around this area, go back down, and give a little bit of pump for altcoins and Bitcoin for another short time until we get another support, and it's going to probably go back up to 6% and above, because we have a lot of other resistance that come in for USDT dominance percentage. Make sure to subscribe right now and hit the notification button. And I posted this screenshot from my trade. I was on $200 and almost $200 in profit, and I shorted it. But I shorted it before around $67,000, but I closed it around $64,000, because I was saying that I was expecting we might get another bounce up from this level, but we even went lower. It temporarily went higher, but we still went back down. But I closed it around $250 when we went a little bit lower, and I asked you guys to let me know if I should hold my short. But when I looked at USDT dominance and I saw this resistance level, I thought that Bitcoin is going to probably recover, which is right now doing that. It has gone almost $1,000 or $2,000 higher than where I closed it. So I'm gonna probably, my next target is gonna be around this level, around almost $63,000. It might not go that high, and it keep dropping almost to $58,000. We do not know yet, so we need to see. What we see, you guys see that it has broken its last support for daily candle around this area, and we had a little bit of pullback, but Bitcoin is slowly going lower, and if it loses it, probably we're gonna go even sharper, and USDT dominance is gonna go higher around the 6.4%. So please like the video right now. I cannot ask you guys enough how much it helps my channel. And please share this video with your friends, because it will help them see that how USDT dominance works the opposite with Bitcoin, and how you guys can see where Bitcoin could be heading by looking at USDT dominance and do a little bit of TA on it. And if you remember, I was talking about how we are getting this support around this area, but I said we might still go back down even lower, because the lowest point for this area would be 3.7%, but we did not quite go that low, which I still said we do not have to go that low because we had similar situations before. We went a little bit lower on this area, we got support, and we went higher. So it does not have to go almost to the lowest point. So you guys see that so far it is working that. But we might go back down, and as I said, if we get another support, we're gonna head back up around going back down, back up to 6%, and that's gonna bring down Bitcoin significantly lower, and that's gonna be probably around low 50s. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below what you guys think and what are your lowest points that Bitcoin will probably go. Remember that I have been showing you guys this Ichimoku cloud around $43,000. I'm not gonna buy. I can't. Let me actually show you here one more time. This Ichimoku cloud has not been touched, and it's around this area. That will be, there is one around this $51,000. So there's a huge chance of going lower. But you guys see another Ichimoku is shaping up as red, but we have not visited that through it or touch it at least. So we might go back up and get a little bit of resistance because of this cloud and still go lower. So we might have to see if we're gonna go first touch this area, $51,000 or $52,000, or we might go get another pump up to almost $66,000, $67,000, or even a little bit lower. So wait for my next video, share this video, and I will be back soon. Peace.